What's up, guys? Today I want to show you guys how I was able to do versatile quick weave no leave out on my short awkward length 4C natural hair. Who's excited? Because I am excited to share this whole thing with you guys. Let us get to work. I don't want to waste the time, so let's get on with it. But one thing I've noticed with the bonding glue is that it sticks to my hair, and I really don't like that feeling of having to remove rubber from my natural hair. So I'm wondering how I can protect my hair. I tried using this band right here, this band I got from the tailor shop, but it's too thick and I had heat stroke. I don't want to suffer from too much heat. I just really want to take care of my hair. So this is the braid pattern. Cornrows going backward, then so I'm just going to tie this. I don't just like the idea of the glue. I don't really even fix lashes like that, to tell you how much I find the glue irritating. Next step is to wear this guy. Okay, what a messy. Beginner friendly. This is what I'm doing at the back. Measure from ear to ear, then take. Okay, so once I'm done, I'm just going to cover it back, because once air enters it gets ruined. So this is it. Like this, you make it, apply your bonding glue like so, then take it backwards.
This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. This not the way that you want, make me tell me with this all thing come become. I never tried it, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell me what's up in God. I'm gonna make me baby. I'm gonna get I wanna make you, baby. I feel like making you, oh baby, oh no.
But right now I'm just following my intuition for this. This is the reason why I'm wearing a bonnet underneath the scarf. This was what I got the last time on my own natural hair and not the extension itself. So this was what I got on my hair, and this is what I'm trying to prevent rather, having these chunks of rubber on my own hair. If you know how to move it on your hair directly, let me know in the comment section, because I tried and I feel like I lost hairs. I don't want to lose any hair. I'm trying to grow my hair right now.
Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to do plenty survive with face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them ride the whip, I know people die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them ride the whip, I know people. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trains. When it comes to money, I they concentrate.
I'm wondering if I should cover this and let me look at it in front of the mirror.
I still want to know. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them ride the whip, I know people die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, ride the whip, I know.
Let's fill this up. Two times, please. Two times, okay.
Funkilla.
So if you don't know how to install crochet braids, watch this video right here by your right hand side. Watch the video to learn how to do this. I've done so many videos on crochet installations, so you should be able to do it by now. But if you don't know how to do it, this is your best bet. This video here. I had teased this a little bit. It will look really nice. It will look super natural, more natural than it does right now. So you can go in with your teaser and tease the front to make it look natural. So thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. We'll see you in our next class. Okay.